Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add additional email on iPhone. First, let's add an account that is automatically supported by iPhone, like Gmail. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Mail. Tap on Accounts and then tap on Add Account. Select Google from the list of email providers. Enter your Gmail address and tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next again. If prompted, review and accept the terms of service. Choose the information you want to sync with your iPhone, like mail, contacts, calendars, or notes. This will synchronize activities between devices. You can toggle these options on or off based on your preference. Tap Save. Your Gmail account is now added to your iPhone. You can now access your Gmail emails directly from the Mail app. Now let's try adding a new email provider. Open Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Mail again. Tap on Accounts and then tap on Add Account. Here, select Other at the bottom of the list. Enter your preferred email provider. For this one, I'm going to use Proton. Since Proton is not listed as a default option, we need to enter the details manually. Tap on Add Email Account, enter your name, Proton email address, password, and a description. The description can be anything that helps you identify the account. Tap Next. We have here two options, either IMAP and POP. IMAP allows you to access your email on multiple devices because the emails are stored on the server. Now let's enter the IMAP settings. Under the Incoming Mail Server section, enter the following: hostname, username, and password. After that, tap Next. The Mail app will verify your settings. This may take a few moments. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add an additional email on iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorials for more updates and tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!